Hi, this is Miss Mika with Amara Vida LLC. If you like the video, make sure to like it and click on the subscribe button. This tutorial will show you how to change your icon on Google. So the first thing you're going to do is decide what picture you like. For purposes of this tutorial, I'm going to do a search in the search bar. I'm going to type in I'm going to two-finger click because I'm on a Mac. I'm going to save image as. Please make sure to be aware of all of copyright issues when using a picture. I'm going to save it to my desktop. Then I'm going to go to a new tab. I'm not logged in, so I'm going to type in Google account. I'm going to click the blue sign in button. I'm going to put in my username and my password. Right now I already have a picture of a lion, but I'm going to show you two different ways to get there. So I can click there and click on the picture. I can click into manage my Google account, or I can even click on my waffle and go into account. The cool thing about Google is there's many ways to get to the same spot. I'm going to hover over my picture. The default will usually only have a letter. Then I'm going to drag and drop the picture. If you don't know how to drag and drop, you're going to click on this button, and then you're going to go wherever you saved it at. It's going to take a second to upload. Go ahead and resize it how you'd like. If you'd like, you can add a caption. Press enter to apply. And then click the blue set as profile photo. Sometimes it takes a little while to update, and sometimes it updates immediately like you saw mine just did. If yours doesn't update immediately, go ahead and click the refresh button. And then if it still doesn't update, maybe sign out of your account and then sign back in. I hope this tutorial helped you in changing your Google icon. Thank you for watching.